Welcome to Learn About Astronomy, and this is the latest news from Comet Ison. We are November 28th, 2013, and I'm making this video at 16:15 Universal Time, and in less than, well, a little more than 2 hours, at 18:45 Universal Time, Comet Ison will be at its closest point to the Sun. So that's 1:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, North America, 18:45 UTC. Make the conversion to your time zone. These are the latest images we can see here, going up to early November 28th at the latest. Comet Ison is really picking up a lot of brightness. At the bottom left, the bright star that you can see is Antares, and we can see that Comet Ison is much brighter than that. I believe it's around 0 magnitude star. So still, we don't know if it's going to survive that fiery close approach. The surroundings of the comet are going to be at 5,000 degrees. That's a lot of degrees for a comet, and but yet at this point the latest images seem to show that it's going well. One thing that's going to be interesting to see, if you're looking at the Sun, just this is what, a little bit more than maybe 12 hours. It starts at, that's about 24 hours, close to 24 hours, and look at all the clouds of plasma that are ejected from the Sun. I mean, the far side of the Sun is peppered with big sunspots that actually have lots of activity. So one of the interesting features of Comet Ison is the fact that we're wondering if it could survive a big blast from a sunspot, a big CME event, coronal mass ejection. And what would happen to the comet if such an event would happen while it's there? And the Sun is just so active that we're almost thinking that it might encounter one of those coronal mass ejections, actually. So we're crossing our fingers. I'll have another update later today, November 28th. It should be much later tonight because I have to go to work and I won't be able to make any other videos before, I would say, probably 0300 UTC, November the 29th. So the comet will have passed its peak, and hopefully we'll either have maybe the first image of the comet emerging, or at least an indication of something. We still don't know. If we look at Antares at the bottom left, that's a 0.5 or something magnitude star. If we look on the comet on the right, which is much brighter, you know, on this image, it's actually creating artifacts. The little straight line that you see that is horizontal is artifacts because the camera sensors on board SOHO are overwhelmed with the brightness of the comet. So we can safely say it went at least to magnitude -1 or -2, and maybe more. So the best scenario that we can have is a surviving comet that spewed away so much material that it will be an incredible night sky and morning sky event. For the first few weeks of December, it will be both a morning and a evening object. But as it gets higher, it's going to become mainly a evening object through December. So if it doesn't survive, lots of speculation about maybe some kind of big fan tail gas cloud luminous enough to be seen through the northern hemisphere sky, even if the comet doesn't survive. One question that somebody asked, what will happen to the comet after it crosses the sun? Well, first of all, it's going to be, if it does survive, it's going to be probably a nice object throughout December and fade away rapidly. End of December or early January, it's already going to be difficult to see probably. And if it does survive, this comet is not coming back ever. The swing, the gravitational effect of the sun will actually slingshot Comet Ison into a object that will just go away and leave the solar system. Actually, it will have enough speed to just go away. So it's going to be a object that's going to be sent through the Milky Way, actually. So like a lot of comets that are sun grazers, they often don't come back because the swing that the sun gives with its gravity gives it so much speed that it just exceeds the minimum speed required for the comet to return to the sun with the gravity. So let's cross our fingers, and this is the only images available because nobody can see the comet at this time. This is SOHO, the solar, I don't remember what SOHO means exactly, but solar, it's a basically a solar telescope in space that watches the sun 24 hours a day. And this is the satellite that is really well placed for viewing of the comet. So look for another video sometime this later today, as soon as I can, and I've got news that's worth making a video of. We're going to put it online, and this continuing effort to watch what will happen to Comet Ison on today's close encounter. So hey, put that little alarm at 18:45 UTC, 1:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, North America. This comet will be at its closest point of the sun, about 1.3 million kilometers away. That's real close, and it's gonna have a hell of a hard job going through that. So thanks for watching, and if you enjoy our videos, subscribe. We will have lots of videos about planets, stars, all sorts of stuff about astronomy. And if you have comments, questions, or maybe want to improve our video cast on YouTube about astronomy, please let us know. We'll try to put, you know, we're just starting up, so we'll try to make things better if possible. And of course, hope you enjoy and come back and watch our videos regularly on Learn About Astronomy. Have a nice day, and have a nice Thanksgiving to the United States watching, because they are in Thanksgiving. Here in Canada, I'm in Montreal, Canada, we are not on, our Thanksgiving actually was 3 weeks away, 3 weeks back. We don't have the same Thanksgiving for I don't know what reason. So thanks for watching, and see you soon with another video and updated news later today of Comet Ison.